I don't think this should go on TV or we both will be bajaued. I'm going back to Bombay, you are in Delhi. Yo bro, yo. ये edit होने वाला है ना show, और हम दोनों जेल में दिखेंगे इनके साथ. As a totality, I would give it to a Hrithik.
Hey guys, this is Xenia from Desi Martini and it's a beautiful, beautiful afternoon in Delhi and right now I'm sitting with Marzi Peshtonji. Did I
Destroyed it, but that's fine.
But you need to correct me, na?
Pestonji.
Pestonji.
Perfect.
Right?
See, कितना simple था.
We'll quickly go to this section which is called Kiss with Desi Martini.
Kiss with Desi Martini.
Keep it simple, silly.
Oh. How interesting.
Right? Take it. Who's the best dancer in Bollywood right now?
I can't say one. There is a Hrithik, there is a Shahid, there is a Tiger, Boysma. There is, but then there is a Shah Rukh and a Salman who are phenomenal in what they do. As a totality, I would give it to a Hrithik because looks, danceability is a package. He's a package.
He's a gorgeous package.
He's like a Greek god, then he looks good, he dances good, so it becomes automatically that one up he gets over everybody else.
Okay.
But dancing wise, today the industry has a lot of good dancers.
Someone you think who would need the 1 year program because they can't dance?
Really?
Yeah.
A lot of them. No, I would say, I'm not sure if Rajkumar Rao and all dance. So I know Nawazuddin will not be able to dance, but they could do Ganpati dancing, but they cannot do choreographic dancing.
Choreograph.
I'm sure Rajkumar could do actually. No, Rajkumar can do. I've seen him dance this Kamariya, so he can do. Milegi, he dances, so he can do. Nawazuddin would not be able to do, I think. But I'd love to see him dance actually.
You've never. Okay.
Female?
So female.
PC, Aishwarya, Kareena, Katrina, Alia.
These are
Jacqueline,
good dancers, right?
Phenomenal.
Yeah.
Jacqueline. Of course, I'm not counting Madhuri and all in that thing. Huh?
They
So for
are
me,
a league
Madhuri,
above.
Aishwarya are in another league.
And those who would need a dance class.
Who needs a 1 year program? I think every dancer would need a 1 year program. It's not how good you are. Today, I told Shamak the other day, Shamak, I also would love to be dancing again. It's just that I feel like I'm just too buddha to do it. So I just said,
Too buddha, huh? You are too buddha.
Hota nahi abhi. Hota nahi hai. So I said, I'm a little lazy to do it. But otherwise, if I was like 10 years younger, I would have wanted to do 1 year program again. Because that keeps you to dance the whole day and that takes you to another level of dancing.
Will you ever go shirtless for dance?
No, I've done it.
You've done it.
I've done that in my young days. Yes, of course. With Shamak, we've danced bare chest on stage. On stage, I've done bare chest. I've done it in shows. We've done it in presentation pieces. Of course, yes, we've done it a lot of times.
One ridiculous talent, useless, ridiculous talent that you have. Like I'll give you an example. I have this talent. I can bend this like 90 degrees.
Oh, I can. Now I can't do it. But if I have Coke, I can spit like this right till the floor and pick it up again.
I think you should show the world now.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah,
No,
no.
I'll leave it for another day. But I can do that.
Okay.
Because of the sugar, the spit gets like a little harder. So then you leave it, you do it slowly, it goes. I can touch it to the ground and suck it up again. And I've done that. And sometimes when I've done it on people's hand, it's left behind also. I just dropped it also on them. So it happens both ways.
And let's
Mistake
drop
happen.
the coke
Mistakes do
part.
happen with that.
Let's drop the coke
That's kind
part.
of trust me, it's a talent.
So, who's your current Bollywood crush?
My God, that's a difficult question. You know, as a child, I used to have a crush on Divya Bharati.
Huh?
Yeah, as a child, I used to have a Divya Bharati picture in my cupboard. You know, there's years when you open a cupboard, first pictures with Divya Bharati's. And as a kid, yeah, I used to love her. I don't know why I should love her. But then otherwise, crush, I used to love Parveen Babi.
Okay.
Yes. But then I love Katrina also. I love
We have that picture. I was showing
love Katrina.
everyone that picture.
I love her.
Tell me one thing that you have always heard from Bollywood people. Like, how do they pull your leg?
Because I can't pronounce R.
Art.
So my roll becomes lol. So that's Abhishek does that most often for me. And a lot of people know I have a deficiency. And they all know I have a mental deficiency any which ways. They all know I'm a mad Parsi. All of them.
Tell me one line, okay, that has like impacted you.
I think I always been told, I think Shamak has told me, my dad's also told me, never take things for granted.
Right.
Never take things for granted because you have it.
So, what's the last film that you watched, by the way?
Oh, I just saw Bohemian Rhapsody. It's a Parsi film. Freddie Mercury was a Parsi, so I have to watch it.
Yeah.
And I know all the songs of that musical. And what a musical!
What a musical.
What a movie! But what music!
It's
What
phenomenal.
music! what a singer Freddie Mercury was.
One of the worst films that you have ever watched.
MSG.
MSG. One song from MSG you'll have to sing.
I don't know, you were singing, I remember that also. Love Charger, na?
You will have to sing.
I'm your love charger. Something like that.
You are my love charger.
You are my love charger. Yeah.
What brings you to Delhi?
You actually.
Oh my God.
Actually, I've come for a serious program that Shamak does. It's called the 1 year program. So we have this 1 year program where we train about 80-100 kids every year, and they dance from morning to night. And Shamak every day teaches them for 5 hours every day.
Oh my God.
Himself. So when Shamak teaches you, you
So-
can't go wrong.
Right.
There are a lot of people from Delhi who've been in the past 8 years. This is the 9th year we are doing it.
You know, when I see about dance as a profession, what I see is choreography, dancing, background dancing, choreography. What other choices can there be?
I danced as a background dancer in 97 in Dil To Pagal Hai. And I'm sitting today here. So I don't think there's any, and I think if I can make it, I think anybody can make it. It's just your dedication, hard work, right kind of training, which is very important. And honestly, your hunger to learn more will drive you somewhere to a better place. I always believe that. I dance as a background. I started my career as a background dancer. I did Shamak's classes in 93. I joined as a student. 97 we did Dil To Pagal Hai. I danced Tal background as a background dancer. I did Bunty or Bubbly as a background dancer. I did Dhoom 2 as a background dancer. What other movie? I did Tal as a background dancer. Kisna as a background dancer. So I've danced as background dancer. Nothing wrong. Then I started assisting Shamak. And accordingly, that's how I've become what I am today.
You know, how did your journey as a dancer start? Like, what was the point when you thought, you know, dance can be something I associate to?
Honestly, I don't know when that happened. I started dance. I came to Bombay from my boarding school in 93.
Okay.
And I saw a show that Shamak was dancing, and there were very good looking girls. There were stunning looking girls within his dance company. And I said, "We are gorgeous ladies. Why am I not doing these classes?" So I said, "Dad, who's that?" Like, his name, I know naam Shamak Davarch hai, and he dances, he's a choreographer. I'm like, and he has dance classes. Bus. Then I went to college, and my classmates were doing the class. So I said, you know what? This is my calling. I have to join them. And that I only joined because they were good looking girls. And I joined purely as a hobby. I did not think it's going to be a profession. I was very sure I was going to do a 9 to 5 proper desk job, do MBA, do this, and then proper desk job and be happy about it. I don't know when this thing changed for me. When Dil To Pagal Hai came across 96, I think before Dil To Pagal, 96, Shamak said, will you dance with my dance company? I said, yeah, because I was doing nothing in that life, just college.
Okay.
We were college people, nothing to. I used to do bottoms up, which used to be every weekend. And then we used to get 500 rupees every weekend. To get 500 rupees every weekend in 1995 was a lot of money.
Right.
So, but like 500 rupees for 2 days, let's do it. So that's how I joined, and then there was no looking back. I ended up doing Dil To Pagal Hai. Then I continued dancing. I started teaching. I started assisting, I started teaching, and I never looked back. So I don't know when I'm one of the few lucky people who say, you get money for your hobby, you get paid for your hobby.
Right.
So I got paid for my hobby actually.
So when your profession and hobby mixes, is that a really good thing or?
It's a fantastic thing.
One of the best things.
One of the best things, because you never work a day.
You're just enjoying yourself.
You are enjoying. It's your hobby. What's your hobby? It's like saying, I love to go for movies. I'm doing movies every day. It's like that. So I love to dance and I'm dancing every day. Yeah, exactly. I'm a movie buff also. I see every movie under the sun.
Okay.
I've seen MSG. Have you seen MSG? No. So I've seen MSG also. So.
But Jingle Ringe Mar Mitenge Desh Ke Liye, that's a song from MSG.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm very happy for you also that you remember that song.
I remember a lot of songs, like I remember Love Charger.
What's that?
You are my love charger.
Love Charger. Let's call the song. Yes, I know. With his hair coming out.
Yeah, it's not charger.
I don't think this
by
should
the
go on
way.
TV or we both will be bajaud. But that's fine. I'm going back to Bombay, you are in Delhi.
So, you're the best judge. You had been adjudged the best judge.
Really?
Yeah, you shared it on your Twitter. Come on.
That's one of the best judges. Not
One
the
of-
best judge. But he's been kind to us actually.
So how did that feel?
Oh, nice. I've never got an award in my life, so first award. So I felt very happy. I said, wow. So I had a list of people to thank, but I ended up thanking nobody except for 2-3 people. I didn't even say, I can even say thank you parents. I didn't say thank you mom, dad, you helped me make it.
Yeah. Have you ever been like all the family gatherings, you know, that happen? Have you been ever told, hey, dance and show us or something?
No, my cousins, no. Because some of my cousins dance as good as I do.
Okay.
Yeah, they jive. They are phenomenal jiving dancers. They are great fun to be with. So
Okay.
on a function, on my cousins and all, we get together. We never say, "I want you to show me dance." Dikhao. Never has been told to me. Never. But if I go for any function, any interview, any of this, please dance karke dikhao na sir. It's right. College functions, colleges fest that happens. So that's where I end up dancing for them.
So we'll make a change. We won't ask Master Marzi to dance today.
Thank you. It will be a different thing.
Yes, something different we are trying
Something
to
different,
do.
yeah.
Now we will come to this point where we are going to crack like extremely lame jokes because see, I specialize in cracking lame jokes.
Okay,
You'll have
I'll
to-
try.
You'll have to answer the questions.
Oh, I have to answer the
okay?
questions.
Yeah,
Go for
okay.
it. I'm a shameless Parsi.
Okay, so okay, what did Marzi Peshtonji's mom say after naming him?
He's gonna be a freak.
No, Meri Marzi.
Oh, that way you're saying. Okay. Oh, these are lame jokes.
Yes.
Okay. They're damn lame, man. Okay, now I'm gonna. Oh shit! Now I'm gonna remember this shit.
So, what do you call Marzi Peshtonji with respect?
G, anyways, is what more respect do you need?
Marzi
Marzi-
Peshton Gigi.
मर्जी पेस्टन जीजी कैसे हो जाए? मर्जी जी पेस्टन जी बोल सकते हो ना?
नहीं Gigi.
अच्छा जीजी, बिकॉज इसका शो है. जीजी बोलने बोलो. Okay.
खाने में से मर्जी पेस्टोंजी क्या निकालेंगे?
खाने में से क्या निकालेंगे? आइसक्रीम. मेरे
नहीं।
सरनेम का आइसक्रीम भी है.
नहीं.
तो
कलौंजी.
ये क्या होता है?
मर्जी पेस्टोंजी कलौंजी rhyming. See,
I don't know what kalonji is.
I'll go to Bangla and I'll say Kalu Jire. What's Marzi Peshtonji's favorite cartoon?
Yeah, what is it?
Spongy.
Her jokes are damn bad. Means how do these two people survive them? I don't
that
know.
was his joke. What's Marzi Peshtonji's favorite candy? Marzi Pan.
माजी पान. मर्जी पान. चलो मर्जी पान खा रहा नहीं माजी पान बोलो.
नहीं Marzi Pan. Just to suit it now.
On that note, we'll crack a lame joke before leaving, and I'll crack this joke this time. आपको मुझसे बहुत ज़्यादा ही लगाव है?
हाँ.
क्यों?
क्योंकि आप
क्यों पूछ रहा हूँ मैं आपको ये?
क्यों?
सोचो, खुदा बख्श, सोचो. दूसरों को लेम जोक सुनाते हो ना? तुमको लेम करता हूँ मेरे को. बताओ.
क्योंकि आप मर्जी जी हो.
नहीं.
नो.
वो तो मैं हूँ ही, उसको तो बदलने वाला नहीं है.
क्योंकि ये दिल्ली है.
नहीं, क्योंकि आपने आपके पैंट पे मेरा नाम लिखा है. नहीं, वहाँ पे नहीं.
तो
वहाँ पे
फिर क्या?
मिस्टर लिखा है. इधर आपने मर्सी लिखा है. ये देखो. देखो, आपको मुझसे कितना लगाव है. देखा? इसको लेम जोक्स बोलते हैं. इसको गंदे जोक्स बोलते हैं. इसको बकवास जोक्स बोलते हैं.
So one message you would want to give to all the young dancers out there.
I think I'd like to tell all dancers that yes, if you want to make dance a career, you want to make your future in dancing, then the training is very important. And to train, you must do the 1-year program because that is what will help you to go into the world of dance and make a name for yourself. If you like this video, which you better like, please press the like